What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can install the Pixel Experience Plus Android 12 build in your Poco X3 Pro. Number one, you have to go in Chrome, and then once you are in Chrome, you have to search a website which is actually very popular, and that is pixelexperienceplus.com. Now once you are on that website, you need to go and search your device, and here you just need to type the name of your device. So for my case, we have the Poco X3 Pro. So here, as you guys can see, I have the Poco X3 Pro, and now once you have just tapped on your device, it will actually just, you need to scroll down and it will actually show you the image of that device. And this is the Poco X3 Pro. I absolutely love using the device. So now what you need to do is you just need to scroll down, and as you guys can see, finally the Pixel Experience Android 11 ROMs are disabled and discontinued. Now you should definitely use the Android 12 ROM because they have actually released a stable version of Android 12 ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. So I am very happy that finally they have released the stable version and they have discontinued the 11 versions because that was quite old. And now the build I'm going to install in today's video is the latest one. It is of 25 December 2021. That is the latest build right now. So you just need to tap on that build, and we have a very special feature here, and that is finally they have added that OTA update. What it means is you basically just go in your smartphone settings and just tap on system update, and it will update the whole ROM from there. So you don't need to go into any other app or you need to side load the ROM. You don't need to do anything. So that is one of the best features about this ROM. That is, you just don't need to you can avoid all the hustle of reinstalling ROM every time and formatting data. So now just tap on download, and you need to wait and tap on download once again. Now it will take up a bit of time to download the ROM, but don't worry, it actually once it gets started, it takes around 20 minutes to download the ROM. Their servers are very fast, but of course it depends upon their Wi-Fi speed, upon your Wi-Fi speed which you have. So right now, as you guys can see, I have started downloading. Now once the download has been done, what you need to do is, let me just first show you guys that yes, it is finally downloaded. And now what you need to do is you need to go into your file manager and then go into your storage and go into the downloads, and as you guys can see, this is the Pixel Experience build, and now it's time to install it into our smartphone. To install this ROM, you need to first power off your device. So just swipe up to power off in my case, and then you need to let's just wait for it to power off, and then you need to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time to enter into TWRP. So let's just hold it at the same time, and once the Poco logo started up, as you guys can see, the Poco logo is finally showing up. What it means is you are into the TWRP. As you guys can see, we are in finally, and now what you need to do is you need to tap on the power button one more time, and there you go, finally we are into the TWRP. Now in my case, I forgot to remove my password, so you can just type in your password like normally. This is my password, and after typing in your password, just press on enter and it will automatically work. So don't worry about that, and if you have not entered password, it will directly show this menu. Now what you need to do is first go and install and actually check that you actually have the ROM. It's not like something you forgot. Then go in wipe. In wipe, you need to go in advanced wipe, and here you need to select Dalvik, data and cache. Do not select internal storage. Always select these three things: Dalvik, data, cache, and swipe to flash. And there you go, your device is finally wiped. Just go back, go in install, and let me just focus this camera. I don't know why it's not focusing. Now you need to go and install, and actually just install. Tap on that download folder. So here we have the download folder, and install the ROM. So you just need to swipe to flash. So now it will take up a bit of time to install because yes, it is a custom ROM, and you know what, it is one of the most stable Android 12 ROMs which I have tried. I'm also going to do a full review about it. So if you are new, subscribing will be the best choice right now, so make sure you subscribe. So now after the install is done, it will show one message that is script succeeded 1.0. That is one of the most important messages you need to check out for. And once it is done, just you need to tap on that reboot system. You can tap directly from there, or you can just go in wipe, format data, type in yes. Formatting data is optional, it depends upon you, but normally I love to format data before entering into a new ROM. Then tap on reboot system. It takes up a bit of time to reboot the system, but do not panic, nothing wrong will happen. We have successfully flashed our ROM into that, and finally there you go, welcome to our Pixel. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you like it, subscribing to my channel will be amazing. Make sure you smash the like button. The like aim is only 200. Make sure to do it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.